This is the movie theater area, which is cool. So they have movie Black Adam, Strange World, Bandit, Wakanda Forever. They have the One Piece showing, and Lao Lao Crocodile. So that's the movies they got showing here. I'm not sure if those are up to date or not, but this shows you this area. This is a really nice mall. One thing I like about the malls here in South Africa, they are very clean. You don't see a lot of dirt. You don't see a lot of trash inside the malls here. Okay, they have like a Christmas tree down there for the kids. Jungle Gym. This is really cool. This reminds me of some of the malls in Colombia. Okay, we got a comic book store here. We'll go check it out. Oh, a whole nother area here. Okay, so this is Cosmic Comics. If you know me, I'm a big comic book nerd, so this is right up my alley. They have different figurines also. Justice League stuff. Oh, they got Castle Grayskull. Things you wouldn't expect to find in South Africa. Then for my fellow Dragon Ball Z fans, they got Dragon Ball, Deadpool, Star Wars, of course, Spider-Man. Oh, they got Thundercats. Oh, nice. Okay, this is a really cool store. Sometimes it's interesting. Every country I go to, nothing changes. Like everybody watches the same cartoons. Everybody watches the same movies, TV shows, everything. Because even when I was in Colombia, one of my friends, hey, how's it going, brother? Oh, no, great, thanks. One of my,
Just give me a shot.
just looking around and just filming, just showing people what's out here. Yeah. One of my friends in Colombia, she's from Venezuela, and she used to watch Cat Dog and Ren and Stimpy, which was just crazy to me. Okay, they got some really cool action figures here. Got some good comics too. I used to be a real big comic book collector back in the day. Alright, so this is Cosmic Comic, then I'll show you once we're in another store. I want to just look around for me and see what's here.